Hey, this is Cory RS, drummer for Soul Cycle. We've been here at NJPAC playing for Sights and Sounds 3 times, and it's been a wonderful experience. Thank you, NJPAC, for having us. It's been a wonderful experience. It's a pleasure playing for you all and playing for the city of Newark, and it's just awesome. The vibe is great. People come out, they really enjoy us, and what can we say? It's always a pleasure. So keep having us come back. We'll be here to play for you. We're not going anywhere.
From Soul Cycle, and we're here today at NJPAC. And been here twice before the last couple of years, and every time we come, we have a great time. The staff treats us really well. We're introduced to many locals, lots of people who love music that come from all over, from Newark, from surrounding areas, from New York, from New Jersey. And a lot of people come out, a lot of people like it, all ages, all backgrounds. And we just have such a positive response. We're really looking forward to playing today. So thank you for your time.
Talking to you, representing the tribe, Soul Cycle, and first beginnings here, playing at NJPAC was with Kevin Jones in 10th World, so that was about 10 years, we're in the 11th year now, so that's about, 11 years ago the first time I come here, and the vibe was great, plenty of people, plenty good experience, plenty culture, and it was good to see Newark on the map too, because everyone big up New York, so it's from New Jerusalem, so big up. Bless up Soul Cycle we play with today, that's been a fun experience because get to jam on a musical level, just without words, and see how people vibes to that. And I'm loving just as much, we come with the reggae vibes, through the tribe, and get to share the message, so you get a whole different reaction from the people, I love reggae music and the culture there, so it's always a blessing. Big up Rushka, big up NJPAC every time, know. So one love every time, Josh. Even.